Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today I am super excited about what we'll be doing. I have unlocked launch control, so we'll get into that in just a second. Before we do, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like if you enjoyed this type of content. Also make sure to comment any comments or questions down in the comment section below. Also make sure to follow us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports, where we do lots of giveaways. We just got done doing a super clean giveaway and there are more coming up. The other Instagrams I want you to follow is Revmatch.motorsport. I believe it's Revmatch.motorsport. Will have all of their info linked in the description below. They're the ones that do all the tuning. The other Instagram is this black M3 we've been building. It is an M54 B30 M3. And the Instagram for that car is Nikki_Nightmare46. So when I say unlocked, it literally means that I have done enough revisions and tunes that Revmatch is comfortable with the engine tuning, and we are going to be doing some launch control. It is something that I was really excited about. This car's had it because we haven't been doing any major tuning or modifications on this one quite just yet, just kind of like a standard M54 B30 tune with launch control. This is getting a supercharger soon, so stay tuned. I keep teasing that, but it is coming. This car up here has the stock fuel pump and stock mass airflow sensor. So what that means is that around 5,000 RPMs, I'm actually starting to lean out. We're finally hitting the point where the stock mass airflow sensor is hitting its limits. So I do have one on the way. It should already be here. That was like 2 weeks ago. But anyways, so that is going to be an install. We'll be doing that. We'll also be doing a new tune revision once we get there. So unfortunately today I can't actually drive the car over 5,000 RPM, but as many of you know, that is well past halfway on the RPM limiter. So we can actually show off the launch control. I'll show you what it sounds like and what it is like. So let's go get that done. I'm very excited to drive. So we're in first gear. I've got my foot in on the clutch, and then we're just gonna put your foot flat to the floor on the gas. It'll come up to, I think this car is around 3,500 RPM. I've only done this, I've only ever done it once. I haven't launched it, but I've had it hit that launch control rev limiter. So here we go. All right, so it holds about 3,000 RPMs. And it sounds absolutely fantastic. So I did do a one tire fire because I do have an open diff still. Let's get a shot from outside so that everybody can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll do a launch, and yeah. So obviously in the parking lots I'm doing one tire fires. I'm still running an open diff. Yes, don't judge. I just haven't had the opportunity to replace the diff. I bought an M3 rear end, and I was told that that doesn't really do very well with this 5-speed, so I'm still looking into options. So I have an M3 rear end, so that might happen eventually. But right now we are on an actual, this is more of like a road instead of being a parking lot. So I'm hoping that it will launch a little bit better. The car does run up to 5,000 RPMs really quickly, which makes it difficult to launch the car if you're trying to keep the car under 5,000 RPM. So yeah, it's kind of a pain, but we'll try it here. So here we go, first gear, clutch, and gas. It's a little bit better. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Again, big thanks to Revmatch for all of their tuning. They know so much stuff. That's the couple videos ago where we did like all of the secret like hacks and things. Most of that information came from them. They know the answers to basically all of your questions. If you want to get into E46 tuning, things like that, even if it's an eco tune so that you get better gas mileage driving back and forth to work, go and hit up Revmatch. All of their stuff's linked in the description below. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bam!